make her feel down. She was always smiling from ear to ear, and everybody wondered around, would she ever know the feeling of tears? All she said to them was, live your life just like you're young again.
Hi everyone, this is Anthony Pataglia. Welcome to my channel. Today's unboxing with Anthony. I got a couple packages. One's from Amazon and one's from some site where you can buy stuff. First package is Internals, the new 4K Blu-ray Internals. Oh, let me see. Yeah. Second is from Amazon. TheLastNight in Soho. And the last one is HalloweenKills. These are all three 4K movies. Watch out for the video for movie unboxing video for these where I unbox them. This is just the unboxing video. Well, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, share my channel. Also comment on these videos if you ordered any of these movies. And 4K. Also, if you'd like to join my Patreon, I'm going to have my Patreon linked up in the YouTube channel. Also, if you'd like to donate to the channel, I'm going to have my PayPal and Cash App. So if you'd like to help out the channel so I can do more videos like this or other ones, you can send donations to the PayPal and the Cash App in the link up in the YouTube channel. Also, if you'd like to buy merch for my channel so you can rock the merch, so you support the channel. Well, that's it for unboxing with Anthony. Have a good day. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Just like you're young again. No, don't you? Your life, just like you're young again. No, don't you cry. Just get back up again, 'cause